Well, it's January, and if you are participating in Dry January, there is absolutely no reason to give up on the tastes and flavors of the cocktails that we all enjoy. Or if you just don't like alcohol in your cocktails, we've got a couple that you really may enjoy. What we're going to do today is walk you through simple and easy steps to make two different mocktails. Our first cocktail today is a Virgin Margarita, as how I like to call it, the Mockarita. And the other one is called a lemon ginger tonic, which is a play on a gin and tonic. So, if you like what you see, make sure that you're going to hit that subscribe button. Leave us a comment, leave us a like. These are the things that tell YouTube to send people to our channel. If you haven't been here before, I'm Bill the Drunken Sailor. So I'm going to keep quiet now and let's get pouring today's cocktails. The first one that we're going to do is that Virgin Margarita. As I said, they're simple and easy, so what we want to do is build these in the glass. We've got a few ingredients in there, and those flavors all match what go into a regular margarita. Our first ingredient going in there is the agave. Now, agave is used as a sweetener in our regular margaritas, but agave is also the plant that they use to distill and make tequila from. We're going to start with 1 ounce. We're going to put that right in the glass, and it's kind of thick. And it's very sticky. So 1 ounce. Next ingredient going in there is our lime. Now lime goes in every margarita anyway. We're going to use 3/4 of an ounce. And we're using freshly squeezed because fresh is always best. Next ingredient going in there is orange juice. Orange is going to take the place of the orange liqueur that you use, whether it's Cointreau, Triple Sec, Grand Marnier. We're going to use 3/4 of an ounce. Last ingredient going in there is lemon juice. And this is going to help brighten it up a little bit. 3/4 of an ounce. Now what we're going to do is add some ice. And as you can see, I've already salted the rim of my glass because it's not a margarita if you're not putting salt in there. I want to give this a quick stir to mix all those up. We're also chilling it down there. Okay, want a little bit more ice in there now. And one last item that's going in there, and we're going to put some Sprite in there. That's going to fill it up. You can use any lemon lime soda that you choose. Top that in there. And now all we have left to do is garnish. And just like a margarita, we're going to put a piece of lime in there. That's today's first cocktail, the Virgin Margarita, or as I call it, the Mockarita. It must be cocktail hour. Our next cocktail is called a lemon ginger tonic. And like I say, this is a play on a gin and tonic. We've got lemon flavors in there. We've got ginger flavors in there. And of course, tonic. So we're going to take our Collins glass. Our first ingredient that we're going to put in there is ginger syrup. Now you can use as much or as little as you want in there. Of course, the more ginger you put in there, the spicier it's going to be, and I like spicy. I'm going to put in 1 ounce. Next, what we're going to use is some freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're going to use 1/2 of an ounce. So now what we're going to do is put some ice in there. We're going to use 1 big long ice cube, and that's dropping in there. And we're going to give this a stir. Now what we want to do is a little bit of garnishing. Our first garnish in there is going to be a lemon wheel. So we're going to take that lemon wheel and just drop it down the side of the glass. So now what are we missing with this drink? Well, it is a tonic cocktail. So let's use some tonic water. We're going to top that off. Just pour that over the ice. And our last step in there is to do our final garnish on there. And to bring back that ginger flavor to it, we're going to take a piece of candied ginger, put that on a cocktail stir, and there you go. Today's second cocktail, the ginger lemon tonic. Let's give these a taste. The first one that we're going to taste is our Virgin Margarita. This one is spot on. It doesn't have the kick of tequila, but it's got all the flavors. We've got that bright citrus flavor from the lime. We've got the lemon that really brightens it up. We've got that orange that pulls in that orange liqueur that would be in there. And of course the agave to make it nice and sweet. You really need to salt the rim. That's going to just balance everything out on there. The Virgin Margarita. If I wasn't already home, I'd bring this one home with me. Our next is that ginger lemon tonic. Nice and pretty, looks like it's a very glamorous cocktail, and let's give this a sip. It's missing the notes of the gin, but that's okay because I'm not a big fan of gin. What I do taste in there is that I've got that nice bite of the ginger. We've got that aroma from the lemon in there. It's bright, it's refreshing. If you're not imbibing in January, here's two solutions for you. Cheers, everyone.